so many universities are no longer accepting applications for September intake. It shock you, Abby? It's shocking everybody at the moment because universities are closing their application intake quite early this year, and that's because of the numerous applications they are getting. I mean, universities are worn out right now. All those admin officers are really worn out at the moment, and that's because of the high demand. A lot of people are applying to study in the UK this period, and most times when you call them, they are always busy. So now that you know that some universities have stopped taking applications for September 2022, now your next bet is January 2023. And you know that not all universities in the UK accept application for January intakes. Yes, some universities do, but not all universities do. So in this video, I will tell you the universities that accept January intake, and you can apply to them now for January 2023 intake. And depending on when you watch this video, you can also check out these universities and see if they would accept a January intake from you. And you should start applying to them. Now, this video will be helpful to everyone who you know may be applying or may be looking to apply to study in the UK. So please kindly share this video. Kindly share this video as you'll be helping so many people. Share the video and also like it, please, and subscribe to my channel. And yes, hello, my name is Chinemerem and you are most welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, hello, you are most welcome. And to my most amazing returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you all. So in this video, like I already said, it will not be a long one, just a short video to just list universities that are accepting January intake. In case you are late with your application or for some reason you just found out, well, I should be making this move now. You are lucky you are watching this video now. And remember that schools are closing their application deadline really early this period. So start now to apply for the January one, as it may close anytime. I mean, anytime at all. Okay, so start applying now. Let's get right on with the universities. Please be advised that most of the schools I will mention here accept January intake for some courses and they don't for some other courses. So now I've saved you the stress of looking for universities that accept January intake. You will now have to take the next step to see if any of these schools accept the course you are going for January intake. Okay, so yeah, I'll just list the schools and then you can go on and do more of the research you want to do. So the first university that accept January intake on my list is Solent University. Solent University is in Northampton and they accept January intake. Please remember again, check out and see if the course you are going for is on the January intake list. If not, please check out other ones. The next one is Brunel University. They accept January intake. Bath University accept January intake as well. Manchester University, they accept January intake. Huddersfield University, Queen Margaret University, Northampton University, Portsmouth University, Leeds Beckett University, University of Bedfordshire. Oxford Brook University also accept January intake. University of Derby accept January intake as well. Now, Chester University also accepts January intake. University of Hertfordshire accepts January intake. Ulster University also accepts January intake. Bradford University, Bolton University, University of Wolverhampton, University of Law, Salford University, Swansea University, Coventry University, Sheffield Hallam University, Robert Gordon University, University of Northampton, Queen Margaret University, and University of Westminster. So these are the universities that accept January intake, and I've advised you to rush as quickly as you can and apply. Don't forget to search and see if the course you are going for will be accepted for January intake. If yes, then go ahead and apply. And if you need help with your application, of course, you can always reach out to me on Instagram, and I'll link you to an agent who would help you at an affordable rate, and we are very sure of their services. Now, if you have any issues or you want to apply and you need help applying, maybe for some reason whatsoever you need help applying, kindly reach out to me and I'll link you. And if you can do this application yourself, why not? Go ahead, do it, and send in your application as soon as you can, as soon as possible. Remember, your personal statement is your selling point. Write an eye-catchy and a convincing personal statements. And I wish you the very, very, very best of luck in your university journey. And that means saying, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please kindly share this video. Kindly share this video to your friends, family, and loved ones out there. And until I see you again in my next video, do take care, stay safe, and bye.